In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify shipping and delivery settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your admin, how to create a shipping setup that fits your products, and how to make sure your store is ready to ship internationally. First, open your Shopify Admin and head to Settings. You'll find Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar. This is where all the behind-the-scenes configuration lives, including your shipping and delivery options. Next, select Shipping and Delivery. This page is the control center for how orders get from you to your customers. You'll manage shipping profiles, the products assigned to them, and the destinations you serve. If this is your first time here, your screen might look a little different or show an onboarding prompt. That's completely normal. Shopify sometimes streamlines the view for new stores. The options are the same, you may just see a guided setup. If you do, follow the prompts to continue. Now, it's time to add your shipping and delivery. Click to create a new shipping profile. A shipping profile is simply a container for rules about how specific products ship. Think of it as a way to group items that share the same packaging, carriers, or costs. Give your profile a clear name so you'll recognize it later. If you sell items with very different shipping needs, like small accessories and bulky gear, separate profiles help keep rates accurate. After creating the profile, add your products. Choose the items that should follow these shipping rules. This is an important step because only products assigned to the profile will use its delivery settings. Take a moment to confirm you've selected everything that belongs here. If you have variants, make sure the correct variants are included as well. With your products in place, make sure your delivery is set to international. This tells Shopify you intend to ship worldwide, not just to a single country or region. International delivery is great if you have a global audience. Keep in mind, you'll want to be aware of things like customs, duties, and carrier coverage for different destinations. If you already know your typical parcel sizes and weights, that will help you choose appropriate options and avoid surprises at checkout. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving applies your changes store-wide, so your checkout can show the correct delivery options right away. That's it. You went to Settings, opened Shipping and Delivery, created a profile, added products, set delivery to international, and saved. If you ever need to adjust products or coverage, return to this same page and update your profile.